Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that will excite our taste buds. Today we will explore the versatility of avocados and learn about 5 ways in which we can boost our health by including it in our diet. We'll learn about its benefits for skin, heart, and vitality through 5 unique recipes. Imagine slicing open a perfectly ripe avocado, its skin just yielding under a gentle press, and the velvety interior promising a buttery texture and a nutty, earthy flavor. Avocados have surged in popularity, emerging as a superhero in the realm of health foods. From being a critical part of the Aztec diet to taking center stage in hip cafes around the globe, this fruit offers not just a rich taste, but also a wealth of nutritional benefits. But beyond guacamole or the ubiquitous avocado toast, how can one truly unlock the potential of this versatile fruit? This video delves into the diverse culinary applications of avocados, highlighting 5 innovative ways to incorporate them into your meals, while also touching upon their impressive health benefits and intriguing historical journey. The avocado, scientifically known as Persea americana, is native to the interlocking regions of South and Central America, with archaeological evidence suggesting cultivation as far back as 10,000 years ago in Puebla, Mexico. Initially known as ahuacatl by the Aztecs, which means testicle due to its shape and the belief that it possesses aphrodisiac properties, avocados had a symbolical stature in ancient cultures. By the early 20th century, the once misunderstood alligator pear began to rise in Western culinary scenes, progressively shaking off its image as an eccentric exotic fruit to become a staple in kitchens worldwide. From its early days in the pre-Columbian Americas to the Instagram favorites, avocados have traversed a vast culinary and cultural landscape, integrating into various cuisines while maintaining its unique identity. Avocados are not only delicious, but also bursting with health benefits. They are densely packed with nutrients, rich in monounsaturated fats that help reduce heart disease risk, loaded with fiber, which aids in digestion, and brimming with essential vitamins and minerals such as potassium, vitamin E, and B vitamins. Their high oleic acid content has been linked to reducing inflammation and having beneficial effects on genes linked to cancer. The depth of benefits avocados offer makes them a valuable addition to any diet, fitting into a protective dietary pattern that promotes long-term health. Integrating avocados into your morning routine can transform breakfast from an ordinary meal to a nutrient-packed powerhouse. Whether slathered on toast with a sprinkle of crushed red pepper flakes or diced into an egg scramble, the creaminess of avocado pairs beautifully with morning staples. Becoming increasingly popular is the trend of baking an egg inside an avocado half, providing a delicious meal that satiates and fuels energy levels throughout the morning. As a salad component, avocados bring a creamy texture and a smooth, rich taste that balances well with crisp, acidic ingredients like tomatoes and vinaigrette. A simple avocado, tomato, and mozzarella caprese is a testament to its versatility. Furthermore, avocados make for wonderful spreads or dips. When mixed into a traditional hummus, they can soften the strong flavors of garlic and lemon, giving it a fresh twist. Another innovative side dish is avocado fries. Slices coated in breadcrumbs and lightly baked or fried, offering a nutritious alternative to traditional French fries. Avocado's utility stretches into the heartier courses as well. It's an excellent base for creamy sauces sans dairy, ideal for pasta, or as a dressing for chicken dishes. Its flesh can be used to make a vegan avocado pesto tossed with linguine or as a stuffing in chicken breasts, melting into the meat as it cooks, imparting moisture and flavor. The culinary creativity with avocados in main dishes is only limited by one's imagination, which revolutionizes traditional cooking and offers enchanting new flavors. In the realm of smoothies, avocados add an incomparable creaminess without overshadowing other flavors. Paired with fruits like berries and bananas, it creates a balanced, nutrient-dense beverage perfect for an on-the-go morning or an afternoon pick-me-up. In snacking, dipping chips in an avocado yogurt dip or spreading it on rice cakes topped with cucumber makes for a wholesome yet tasty treat, aligning well with a health-conscious lifestyle. Unexpectedly, avocados also find their place in desserts. Their rich texture provides the foundation for mousse and other creamy desserts. Imagine a chocolate avocado mousse that's both indulgent and nutritious. Avocados can also blend seamlessly into baked goods like brownies, adding moisture and binding ingredients naturally. These options are perfect for those looking to indulge while still keeping health in mind, perfectly balancing taste and nutrition. Selecting the perfect avocado often seems daunting. Seek out ones that are slightly firm with a bit of give. To speed up ripening, place them in a paper bag with an apple or banana. Once ripe, avocados should be stored in the refrigerator to slow the ripening process. Remember, cut avocados brown quickly. A squeeze of lime or lemon juice over the exposed flesh can prevent oxidation. With these tips, wastage is minimized, and the culinary and nutritional benefits of avocados can be fully enjoyed. This video delivers a comprehensive exploration of avocados, transforming the way we see this not-so-humble fruit and integrating it into daily culinary practices. The journey from a historical staple to a modern superfood, adorned with myriad health benefits and diverse culinary applications, avocados undoubtedly merit a regular spot on our plates. We hope you've been inspired to incorporate avocados into your meals. Share your avocado experiences in the comments below and let us know how it goes. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video. Your feedback is invaluable to us. For more creative ways to enhance your diet, subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for upcoming videos.